today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your LinkedIn profile ID. Before we jump into the app, let's quickly clarify what a profile ID is. On LinkedIn, your profile ID is the unique part of your public URL, the text that appears after /in in your profile link. It's often a custom handle, like a version of your name, but LinkedIn also assigns a unique ID to every account. Knowing where to find this and how to personalize it makes your profile easier to share and more professional. Go ahead and open the LinkedIn app on your phone. On the home screen, tap your profile icon at the top left. This opens the side menu. Now tap your profile again to go to your own profile page. Once you're on your profile, look toward the top for the three dots next to the Add section button. Tap those three dots to open more options, then choose Contact Info. This panel shows key details, including your profile URL. Look at that link and focus on the part after /in in/. That is your current profile ID. It might look like your name, or it might include dashes and some letters or numbers. If it looks long or auto-generated, that simply means LinkedIn created one for you when your account was set up. You can personalize this to something cleaner and easier to remember. From your profile page, tap the pencil icon at the top right to enter the edit view. In the edit screen, locate your profile URL and tap it. You'll be redirected to your public profile settings. Here you'll see an option to edit your URL. Tap the pencil icon next to it. Now you can type the profile ID you want. Keep it simple, professional, and easy to share. Using your real name or a consistent variation you use elsewhere is a smart choice. Stick to letters and numbers and avoid special characters. If your first choice is taken, try adding a middle initial or a short, relevant variation. When you're happy with your new ID, tap Save. LinkedIn will confirm the change if the URL is available. That's it. You've checked your LinkedIn profile ID and learned how to personalize it. A clean URL makes it easier for people to find you and looks great on resumes, email signatures, and business cards. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.